In our last video, we already discussed about equivalent weights of acids, bases and salts. Here, in this session, we discussed about equivalent weights of KMnO4 and H2O2. Here, KMnO4 depends on nature of the solvent and H2O2 is involved in oxidizing agent reactions and reducing agent reactions, and it is also involved in disproportionation reactions. First, that is KMnO4. KMnO4 mainly depends on nature of the solvent. If KMnO4 present in basic medium, then that KMnO4 will be converted into MnO4 minus 2 in basic medium. Here, manganese oxidation number in KMnO4 will be +7. That is, potassium is 1A group element and its oxidation number will be +1. Manganese is X and KMnO4, that is 4 oxygen atoms are present. Each oxygen atom having -2 charge, that is +4 into -2 equal to 0, that is +1 plus X minus 8 equal to 0, X minus 7 equal to 0, X equal to +7. That is, manganese oxidation number in KMnO4 will be +7. Here it is MnO4 minus 2. MnO4 minus 2 means manganese oxidation number will be +6. That is, manganese X and 4 into -2 equal to -2, X minus 2, 8 equal to -2, X equal to -2 plus 8, and finally X equal to +6. That is, here manganese oxidation number will be +6. Finally, transferring of electrons in the given reaction is only 1 electron. Only 1 electron. That is, equivalent weight of KMnO4 in basic medium. In basic medium equal to molecular weight of KMnO4 divided by N factor. Here N factor value is equal to number of electrons transferred or involved in given reaction. Only 1 electron will be transferred or involved in given reaction. That is, KMnO4 will be converted into MnO4 minus 2. That is, N factor value for this reaction equal to only 1. Here, equivalent weight of KMnO4 in basic medium equal to molecular weight of KMnO4 divided by 1. That equal to molecular weight. Molecular weight of KMnO4 equal to 158 divided by 1. That is, 158 is equivalent weight of KMnO4. Okay. In acidic medium, KMnO4 will be converted into Mn plus 2. In KMnO4, manganese oxidation number will be +7. Okay. Here, manganese oxidation number is +2. Transferring of electrons in given reaction is 5 electrons in acidic medium. Then equivalent weight of KMnO4 in acidic medium equal to molecular weight of KMnO4 divided by 5. That is the N factor value of KMnO4 in acidic medium. Okay, clear? In basic medium, N factor value equal to only 1. In acidic medium, N factor value equal to 5. Basic medium 1 electrons, that is acidic medium 5 electrons will be transferred in given reaction. Okay, that's why its equivalent weight equal to molecular weight of KMnO4 divided by 5. Okay, clear? Next, in neutral medium, KMnO4 will be converted into MnO2. That is, KMnO4 will be converted into MnO2. In KMnO4, central atom manganese oxidation number will be +7. In MnO2, manganese oxidation number will be +4. That is, here manganese is X. 2 oxygen atoms are present in MnO2. That is 2 into -2 equal to 0. That is X minus 4 equal to 0. X equal to +4. MnO4 is +7 and MnO2 oxidation number will be 4. Transferring of electrons for given conversion is, that is 3 electrons. Here n factor value is equal to 3. Okay, equivalent weight of KMnO4 for given reaction or given conversion in neutral medium equal to molecular weight of KMnO4 divided by 3. That is the n factor value of KMnO4 in neutral medium. Here finally, in basic medium, acidic medium, neutral medium, totally 3 mediums are given. That is basic, acidic, neutral. In basic medium, n factor value equal to only 1. In acidic medium, n factor value equal to 5. In neutral medium, n factor value will be 3. That is KMnO4 in basic medium, neutral medium, in acidic medium. Okay, clear? Here it is. In basic medium, number of electrons transferred is equal to only 1 and it is n factor value. In neutral medium 3 and acidic medium 5. Then equivalent weight of KMnO4 in basic medium will be m by 1. Here m is molecular weight of KMnO4. Neutral medium m by 3 and acidic medium m by 5. Okay, these are the equivalent weights of KMnO4 depending on solvent, nature of the solvent. Okay, coming to H2O2. Here H2O2 behave as oxidizing agent and reducing agent, and it is also involved in disproportionation reactions. That is, if H2O2 act as oxidizing agent, H2O2 by accepting of 2 electrons and then it converts into 2 moles of H2O. In this reaction, H2O2 act as oxidizing agent. That is, in oxidizing agent reactions, H2O2 oxygen atom oxidation number will be -1. That is, here 2 hydrogen atoms are present. That is 2 into each hydrogen oxidation number will be +1 plus 2 into X. That is 2 oxygen atoms are present in H2O2 molecule. That equal to 0. Plus 2 plus 2x equal to 0. 2x equal to -2. X equal to -1. That is, in H2O2 oxygen atom oxidation number will be -1. Then H2O means that is +2, each hydrogen having +1 oxidation number. Here 2 hydrogens are present, that is +2 plus X equal to 0. Here X is oxygen atom, only one oxygen atom is present in H2O. That's why +2 plus X equal to 0. Then X equal to -2. In H2O, oxygen atom oxidation number will be -2. In H2O2, that is hydrogen peroxide. In hydrogen peroxide, each oxygen atom oxidation number will be -1. That is, transferring of electrons is equal to 1 for a single oxygen atom. But in H2O2, 2 oxygen atoms are present. Each oxygen atom transferring electrons equal to only 1. Here 2 oxygen atoms are present. That is, total transferring electrons is equal to 2. Okay, that is each oxygen atom transferring electrons equal to 1. In H2O2, 2 oxygen atoms are present. That is 1 into 2. Totally 2 electrons are involved in given oxidizing agent reaction, and that is n factor value equal to 2. That is equivalent weight of H2O2 in oxidizing agent reactions. In oxidizing agent reactions is equal to molecular weight of H2O2 divided by 2. 2 is the n factor value for H2O2 molecule in oxidizing agent reactions. Next, if H2O2 involved in reducing agent reactions, that is H2O2 gives rise to 2 moles of O2 plus 2 electrons plus 2 H plus ions. Here it is H2O2 is involved in reducing agent reactions. That is, in H2O2, oxygen atom oxidation number will be -1. In O2 molecule, each oxygen atom oxidation number will be 0. That is conversion -1 to 0. -1 to 0 means that is transferring of electrons is equal to only one. That is, in H2O2, 2 oxygen atoms are present. Each oxygen atom transferring electrons equal to only 1. Here it is 2 oxygen atoms are present. That is 1 into 2 equal to totally 2 electrons are involved in reducing agent reaction of H2O2. Okay, then its n factor value equal to 2 and its equivalent weight of H2O2 in reducing agent reactions equal to molecular weight of H2O2 divided by 2. Okay, that is the equivalent weight of H2O2 in reducing agent reaction. Similarly, if H2O2 is involved in disproportionation reaction, that is H2O2 gives rise to H2O plus half O2. What is the meaning of disproportionation reaction? That is any substance simultaneously involved in both oxidation and reduction. It is one type of redox reaction. That is, in H2O2, oxidation number will be -1. In H2O, oxidation number will be -2. In O2, oxidation number will be 0. Clear? -1 to -2. That is decreasing oxidation number. That is called reduction. Clear? Same. -1 to 0. Here it is increasing oxidation number. That is called oxidation. Only one substance simultaneously involved in oxidation and reduction. Then that is called disproportionation reaction. Clear? Here it is -1 to -2. Only one electron will be involved for this conversion. Similarly, in oxidation conversion, only one electron involved in H2O2 to half O2 conversion. Here it is also one electron. But in H2O2, 2 oxygen atoms are present. That is 1 into 2. Here it is also 1 into 2. Totally 2 electrons. Here it is also 2 electrons. Clear? Here it is total 2 electrons in reduction reaction is represented by N1. It is represented by N2. That is N1 equal to 2, N2 equal to 2. For disproportionation reactions, N factor value will be calculated by N1 into N2 by N1 plus N2. That is N factor equal to N1 into N2 divided by N1 plus N2. That is N1 is 2 electrons. Here it is N2 is also 2 electrons divided by 2 plus 2. N1 equal to N2 equal to 2. That is 4 by 4. Totally 1. N factor value for H2O2, that is disproportionation reactions, is equal to only 1. Then its equivalent weight of H2O2 in disproportionation reactions is equal to molecular weight of H2O2 divided by only 1. That is molecular weight of H2O2 equal to 32 plus 2. 34 by 1. That is the equivalent weight of H2O2 in disproportionation reaction of H2O2. Clear?